Alright you guys, I made it into Marshall's. Now check this out. These are bath bomb kits, so I guess maybe for Easter. There is a prize and size. We have, yeah, marshmallow, flour, vanilla cake. Okay, that's kind of cool. Then you can make like confetti, mix, pack, enjoy. This one's going to be 15. And just tons of sponges. I mean, if you're doing a teen basket, you know, beauty blenders. How much is this one? $5.99. Trying to find it. 7, and you get 6 in here. So in Costco, you know how they have that large set in the acrylic case. Put face mask in there too. Here's a new one. The snail. I could pull it out. These are $5 for the snail. Oh, they like cows. There's a cow one. I know somebody who likes cow print. Do you guys like that print? They buy shoes with cow print. Yeah, everything. It's a rosewater one. So these are $5.99. The blending sponges. Look, you have a little mushroom, sun, lightning bolt, and a rainbow. Okay, usually skip out on these because they all smell the same. They really don't do anything. So don't buy those. But look down here. These are $5. Okay. I wish the mushrooms were engraved on the packaging. That would be cool, right? On the plastic. But just in a clear container. Urban Decay. I want to say 25. Oh yeah. 25. They ripped that off. Oh, there's not even a... Oh, here we go. You get the little brush too. Alright. That's pretty cool. And $5.99. Oh, they got the whole gang in here. What? I'm not too sure the brand of this, but I've been finding it a lot everywhere. Oh, Pat McGrath. But they're all open. No matter where I go, they're all open. What is this one? Butter sleeping mask. Okay. For $10. $10. A lot of eyeshadow palettes. Oh gosh, Mojo Jojo in the house. Oh my gosh. Okay, I kind of like Mojo Jojo. $4. Can we pull that out since it's already open?
I know I don't put previews on the back.
Mojo Jojo, say it ain't so. Mystic Moon Dust. Okay, just tons of body sprays here. Some Valentine stuff. Okay, that's shower gel, more bath bombs, heart bath bombs. Less plastic, more rose. Lotion. Everything here is like socks, foot cream, hand cream, rose lip patch. Oh, Valentine's Day packaging. Those are kind of cute. Here's some Hello Kitty socks. These are only $7, and you do get, I think, let's see, 4 pair. No, 5 in here. That's cute. I love you very much. $1.99, $2. Very sweet. These are cute. Those are cute. I like these. This is a good one to give. And hair clips. Oh, check those out. The double heart one. I know we've seen a snake one. Oh, they brought it back. These are really cool, I think. They are $8. Drip Extra. Oh, is this one coming back? I remember my daughter used to buy those, and look how cute. We've seen these before. They're gonna be $7. You could also find some very similar in Walmart. Ola, Fiesta. You know what? And there's a different one. There we go. It's like some shapes. That's 20. These earrings, oh, that's kind of cute. Little hearts and arrow. I know we've seen these. Okay, and more Disney. It's a little Disney charm. That's the new one. I think everything else might be the same. I know we've seen this one. Okay, 20. We have 3 Wonders, Pacifica, face wash. Okay, we have Glow Baby, Sea Foam, Kale Detox, Brightening Face Wash, Deep Cleaning, Complete Face Wash. 15. What is this one? Down here. Okay, this is a good brand. It's gonna be $35. 35. Quite a bit in here. More Burt's Bees. Okay, it's all like skincare. Copatone. Don't forget your SPF. Okay, they have volume conditioner. That is only $8, which is a pretty good price. You go to Sally's, that's going to cost you a little more. Brass to Sass and Tone It Down. And $4. It's not bad. I'm going to grab this for Valentine's. And look at this one, the Lip Balm Trio. But I wonder if they really smell like it. We have strawberry, fresh kiwi, and pink grapefruit. These are $5 because I remember the lip balm in tin, you guys. That was huge back in the day. The sliding tin. They also had like Lip Smacker had one too. Oh, I thought it was a lip balm. Wouldn't that be cool if Halls did make a lip balm? Because, you know, it's right beneath your nose. Lip oil's always here. Okay, check this out. These are $4. I hear these are good for your hair, you guys. I did try one, but my hair gets caught in it and it kind of hurts. They pull. Trying to see if there's anything new in the hair tie department. Yeah, they put all their perfume, but mostly their perfume in here is Juicy Couture, Ariana, Betsy Johnson, the same stuff we see all the time. I think we might have to wait for Mother's Day. Okay, this one's new. Okay, oh look, she's like hanging on to the balloon. $15. I was broken, but that is really interesting, right? There's ice skating rings. We have the lemon. I know we've seen before. And more shamrock. Tons of shamrock. There we go. It's 15. I do have a large one. Oh, but those earrings? Okay. Those are kind of cute. They have little cross earrings too right here. Let me pick them up. I like this black one. Okay, in the handbag department, $29.99. We have a purple Aldo. It will be like a crossbody. Again, you guys, I'm not finding anything too new. 17, double zipper. Here's this bow one. I know we've seen before. It's kind of cute, right? I believe they have a purple one in a different location. Okay, Steve Madden for $35. We have not seen this one. It's a double one, thick strap. The Coach, red Coach one. DKNY. And behind me, oh, what is this one? Another Aldo one. Oh, look at that butterfly. Can we fix that chain to get the bling? No, other side. There we go. The bling. The butterfly bling. So you could definitely take a chain, like a bracelet from Burlington, because they're like really cheap, 35. And just do that, put it across. Oh, there's another red coach. I'm surprised the coach is not behind glass.
Especially on the ones that come with plastic chains. You could
Yeah, I hate that. I hate the plastic chain, because sometimes a plastic chain bag is like 50 bucks, 45. Here's another Aldo one, a colorful. Oh, here's a Guess canvas one. Kind of like 90 vibes right here. This one will be 40. Yeah, 39 and 99. The canvas one. I did find a new Steve Madden down here. This one is $29.99. Kind of like a square, and then you get the long chain, of course. Ooh, I've never seen like an all red one. So that's not 20, is it? No, 40. It's like 20 bucks. 20, and I know we've seen this one already. It's another Aldo one, or like Valentine Day. Here's like an ombre effect. What do you guys think of that? These are 40 as well. It's a little mini one. Annette Lepore. Here's this Michael Kors down here. Okay, for 150, 150. And these are all, I just came down this aisle, okay. Let me walk down here in the shoe department. See if we see anything new. Adidas for 40. These are $29.99. Definitely cheaper here than DSW. DSW has Reebok platforms. These are kind of platforms. They do have a smaller one, and they were like maybe 45, 50. French Connection, I know we've seen. This one's a different one. Okay, 13 tons of Juicy Couture, which I know we've seen most of these here. They're gonna be, yeah, 13. Juicy on the booty. A juicy booty. Okay, we have the heart one. These are cute pajamas. They're only 10. Look at all the cute stuff. This is juicy too. Brunch, please. I love brunch. I want some mimosas. Who's down? Right? Okay, I found some windbreakers here. These are 40, and the brand is Guess. I wonder if it says it in the back. Oh, it doesn't even say it. Only on the hood. So they have red and black. And everything here looks like Champion. They're $8 in the men department. Hopefully this coming up year, we see new hoodies. I haven't been able to find like hoodies like I used to in the TJ Maxx and Marshalls. All these are Champion. Gray, that's not gray, that's green. Those are only $8. We have Hurley. These are pull-on in the men department. Like, it could be used as a swim trunk, working out, hiking. $25. There's some hoodies in here. A lot of anime, but not anything new that we haven't seen. SpongeBob. There's a Playboy one. Okay, and for little boys, let me see here. We have Converse on top. Those are $7. That brown one's kind of cute. Just says little Converse in the corner. That marble one is $8. It's a good one. Nike bottoms. Vans. How much are you, Vans? Because we know you're pricey. For only $8? Okay, not bad if you find Vans here. Hopefully they bring out more Vans. All these cute. They're so cute. $13. Oh my gosh. And for little girls, let me walk down over here. Sunkissed Mermaid, Love Bug, of course. You're my love bug. see, men's polo, those are 25. Those are Tommy. That baby blue, dark blue. Here's some Calvin Klein. Just like a casual. Let me find out. 17. There we go. And they're gonna have it in gray and black. A lot of Calvin Klein. It just says Calvin Klein right in the corner. This line is always long here. That's why I never buy anything here. If I see something, even if it's lip balm, I'm like, I'm not waiting. It's a bright color. That is 17. Here's a Levi's, but it's gonna be cropped, you guys. Enough with the crop. See, I like these t-shirts right here for my daughter. And you get two. Like, these are really, really nice. I just don't want to wait in line. Yellow. I know. Alright, you guys. Ooh, look at that pink. $8. It's a nice pink. I do love it. I love that. And check this one out, like a two-piece set. It's actually really soft. Okay, 25? 25, now 20. Oh, that's not it. These are 25. The butterfly top and bottom. Hippie Rose makes them by Hippie Rose. Trying to pull them out. They have a dark brown one. I love these brown tops too. Yeah, by this brand. I usually size up for my daughter. I usually get her a large, even though she should be like a small, but it's still form-fitting and there's more stretchy and it doesn't shrink. All right, you guys. I think I gotta get on out of here now. It is, ooh, duster cardigan. You guys, I'm loving the duster cardigans. $25, a double pocket. They have been my go-to on casual like outings because why not? Now this red one is by Michael Kors for $29.99. It's a nice one too. $20 for this heart one. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go. They do have clearance here. Final. So for clearance, you know, you just really have to go through the rack. So some of them are priced at $12 on yellow tags. Some are priced at $8. It all depends on what you like. These are not bad for the work too if you tuck it in or leave it out, whatever. I know a lot of people don't like to tuck in. I'm really not a fan of tucking in, but sometimes I look too boxy with it out. Oh. A lot of those V-necks. It's a Columbia. $10 for this one. It's $12. That's $36, but it looks broken, so that should be more discounted in my opinion. I hate when you find broken items or heavily stained items and they're not like a discount. You know, I feel like you should discount that.